That should be enough.
Genie's core power has remagnetized these rocks.
What now?
We wait.
I don't like this. It's not safe for Genie.
I know, but this is her plan.
It is logical. The Avertac should be attracted to Genie's power.
That's what I'm afraid of.
It's okay, Umba. Once Genie draws the Avertac, she will escape down to the core to safety.
And that's when we make our move.
When it's distracted, we can trap it in the cave using the stones.
Just like they did before.
It's dangerous, but it's the only way.
Shh! It's here.
No!
Whew. It's never getting out of that.
I hope Genie's okay. I can't go!
Only one thing left to do!
1, 2, 3, oh!
Whew, that was close. We did it, guys. Guys? Where are you? Umba! Metric! Genie! Genie, what happened?
I do not know. No trace.
They're gone? Oh no! I'm alone!